Well, now I wish I did bring my glider up here so that I could just jump down to the cars. I don't know if you can see them. Where the fuck over there? Mate, Ben made me walk up that whole hill. This is Kings Canyon, middle of Northern Territory, well down the bottom. It was -1 degrees this morning where we camped. We went, it's quite a nice walk down there, up the canyon there. I think we can only go to about there. Probably could go further. Might be a nice water hole up there, but oh, mate, it's a bit sketchy walking up here. It's not flat. Check it out. This is Kings Canyon. There is a walk. Oops. There is a walk that goes along there, but it's about a 3 or 4 hour walk, and we don't really have that time because we're supposed to head back about lunchtime today, which is like now. It's going to take an hour to get to the car. Sasha and Ben are up here somewhere. It's over there. Wonder if we could do a cooey sound. Yeah. No, Ben will kill me. Disturbing the peace and all that. Oh, look over there, the big slabs are broken off. Try and hold it still for you. This is beautiful country. Well, over there, where there's nothing, that's just flat. Mostly just red sand. The grassy stuff. I'm glad I came. This is fun, but I like water. There's so much water out here. Anyway, bye for now. This is Kings Canyon. There's a few flies here.